Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I got a great show for you today. I'm going to review a product that I received as a Christmas gift, and it's something that I asked for and I thought it'd be great to use around the kitchen for cooking, maybe out on the griddle for doing some barbecuing or griddle cooking. And I'm going to show you kind of how it works and give you an idea if I like it or not. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, my friends, we're going to review this Sangcon Gravity Electric Mill Set. It's salt and pepper shaker. It's an automatic. Basically, you fill this up with salt granules, also pepper, and you can, it'll grind it and put it over your food. It's just a matter of, you don't have to shake it or anything like that because it's battery operated. So let's get into it.
Okay guys, let's have a little unboxing here. We're just going to take these items out here. They come in plastic. And it looks like we've got a couple here. We got a little brush and some salt and pepper stickers that are available to put on each of the shakers, or I should say the electric or battery operated mill. These aren't too bad looking. As you can see, they're stainless steel with black, and they also have a clear, there's kind of a door there. That's where you actually pour the spices into the mill itself. But they're pretty nice looking here. There's an on-off button there at the bottom. The batteries are in the bottom there. That bottom just twists off, and there's your 4 AAA batteries that go in there. And it's marked positive or negative, so you know which way they go in. The batteries definitely add a little weight to the shaker, and once you fill that up too with peppercorns or like coarse kosher salt, it definitely makes a difference. Did you see how that turned blue when I turned it over? That means it was on and starting to grind. I obviously don't have any product in here, but that's what I was doing. Just checking to make sure the batteries work, and I got them in right. Okay, it's time to fill these up. We're going to put some kosher salt in this one. The little clear plastic door slides off pretty easily. It's well marked. It wasn't too hard to get up, but as you can see, I'm just pouring the kosher salt in here. And we're going to give it a try here. We'll put this back on. It goes on real easy. Okay, let's give this a little try. We'll turn it on right here. I'm going to adjust the top here. You can't see it really, but I'm adjusting here, and we'll see how it comes out. A little thicker than I wanted to. It just all depends on what you're putting it on, so you can adjust that, which is nice. And that makes a difference. I mean, if you're seasoning meat, that's one thing, but if you're lightly salting something, you don't want a whole lot. As you can see, I found the light setting here. Now we're going to do some, right there. Let's see how this grinder does on the peppercorns. It has to work a little bit there. As you can see, it started coming out. A habit of shaking. I don't really need to do that, but at the same time, I was trying to get the peppercorns down in the mill because it wasn't completely full. I didn't put very many in there, so.
Okay guys, just wanted to give you my final thoughts on the Sangcon Gravity Electric Mill Set. I picked this up off of Amazon. I should say I got it as a gift. I asked for it. It was on Amazon for $19.99, so not a bad price point. As you can see, this is how you turn it on. Batteries were in the bottom like I showed you. This is where you fill it up. This just slides up and you fill it with whatever. It doesn't have to be just salt and pepper. I want to remind you of that. It can be other seasonings and spices that you like to use. You could put that in there as well. But what's nice about it is once you turn it on and flip it over, this lights up to a blue, and this little deal in here, you can turn that for how coarse you want whatever you put in there, whether it be your salt and pepper. If you want it finer or not, you can adjust it there. And, you can leave these on your table, just turn them over. You don't have to shake a bunch of times to try and get a little bit of salt or pepper out. This does it for you. Very nice for seasoning meats. And that was kind of why I got it. If you're preparing a bunch of meat, it's nice to kind of go over it with this. It's just kind of one of those things. I do a lot of griddle cooking, and this is nice to have. Overall, just a little bit that I used them, I enjoy them. I like them. To me, they're not that expensive for 20 bucks. It's a great gift, especially if you get somebody that that loves to barbecue or do any kind of griddle cooking, or they're in their kitchen a lot. I may leave these right on the kitchen table too and use them that way. There's nothing wrong with doing that either. So overall, I'm going to rate this a 9. I'm glad I got these. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully, the batteries last a long time. Takes four AAA batteries in each one of these. So, and you got the 2 of them. So, but overall, I'm going to give it a 9 today. I would definitely pick yourself up a pair of these. Maybe even more if you want to use different spices in them. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just seems like a good quality product. It's got the nice stainless steel look here going. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about it. Seems like it's going to be a good product, and for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I picked this up on Amazon, and that's my take on it today, guys. That's what I do on this channel. I like to give you reviews on different products that I buy, just to kind of give you an idea if it's something that you might like to use. Give it a try. Hey, if you like my channel, please give me a great big thumbs up on the video if you like the content. And if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be greatly appreciated. More great products coming to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care, my friends. God bless. Bye.